Now you can make your home loan interest free with this method, because I know that buying a house is a very huge financial decision in anybody's life. And what if we have a way through which you can make your home loan interest free? And don't worry, I'm just not bluffing, but I have a proper calculation. I will explain you all the things step by step through which you will be able to understand that this is not just a clickbait, but you can actually do it very smoothly and execute it too. But before moving on to the video, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any videos and you get all the notifications timely. Let's say that Mr. A, who is working in corporate and is 30 years of age, have a decent in-hand salary of 1 lakh a month and also got married recently, and his wife's salary is also around 50,000 per month. Now the couple's household expenses comes down to 80K, which includes their rent, utilities, household expenses, every sort of things. And because they don't have a child at this moment and they want to buy a house in near future, but they don't have the down payment at the moment, so they want to accumulate that from scratch, and hence they start a SIP of 45,000 per month into a moderate equity funds for 5 years down the line at 12% CAGR, which is easily you can expect from maybe a large cap fund or a flexi cap fund. So you can consider investing into these two categories if your goals are between around 5 years to 6 years of time frame and you want consistent and moderate risk with your investments. And the balance amount of 25K they are spending on their personal wants, like they are going out for dinner or movies, dates, going on shorter trips, etc. Now when Mr. A is at 35 years of his age, then he will be having some maturity value of around 37 lakhs in his mutual funds account, which the SIP he started of 45K when he was 30 years of age. But with the time passing, two things must have increased a lot, and that is, first, Mr. A's salary as per the time, and second is the cost of house as per real estate inflation. And because Mr. A's income is higher now compared to 30 years of his age, he would also get a higher loan and he would be easily able to manage the EMI if that is falling between 30 to 40% maximum. Because if you don't have any other loans going on apart from home loan, then your maximum EMI can fall up to 40% of your total income, so that in coming future it is not a financial burden on you. Let's assume that couple को around 1.2 crores का घर पसंद आता है and they have around 37 lakhs with them, तो around 30% तो down payment उनका sorted है. Rest amount they are taking a loan, यानी कि it will be coming around 83 lakhs, and let's assume that they are getting a home loan at 8.5% interest for 20 years of time frame. तो उनका EMI आएगा around 72,000. अब what would be the interest they would be paying to the bank in this 20 years of time frame, ये हमें zero करके दिखाना है. Now because at age 35 the couple is also buying a house, they are also bearing an EMI of 72,000, they'll be having certain household expenses, maybe it's possible that they would be having a child at that moment. It would not be that easy to manage a 45K SIP per month until and unless their income has also increased that well. Let's assume that they are reducing their SIP amount also with time once they are taking a huge liability on their head. Generally, as per the finance thumb rules, your investment should minimum be of 20% of your income, so that your future is secure well, and you have a good decent amount with you when you are retired or in any situations maybe to achieve any of your goals. and your household expenses should fall around 30 to 40% of your income minimum. Now let's understand that how you can make this home loan interest free where you are paying 72,000 EMI. So what you have to do is you have to start a SIP of 0.15% of your loan amount, that is 12,500 की SIP करनी है into an aggressive equity mutual funds for the same home loan tenure, so that आपने जितना भी इंटरेस्ट भरा है इन द 20 years of your time frame to your bank, in this case it's 90 lakhs, and you will be able to recover that with this mutual fund investment. और इन दिस 20 years of time frame आप म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे अराउंड 30 lakhs, और आपको मेच्योरिटी मिलेगी आफ्टर 20 years वुड बी अराउंड 1.65 crore. इससे आपको तीन बेनिफिट्स होंगे. फर्स्ट इज मिस्टर ए, when he will be at 55 years of age, he will be having his own house without paying any EMIs. So he has built an asset for himself with time. Second, his retirement planning is sorted because he'll be earning 1.65 crores from mutual funds, and through which he will be able to earn a fixed regular income to run his household expenses. And maybe if he's retired at 55, not a problem, through SWP he can easily withdraw a good amount out of it, and still his corpus can increase with time. And third, he has made his home loan interest free. Whatever interest he has paid to the bank, he has recovered fully. If same things you start very early in your life, then you will be able to achieve all your goals very easily. In this example, we saw that Mr. A started all his investments and everything when he was 30 years of age. If you start even early, you will be able to achieve your goals very easily, smoothly, and you will not end up in any financial burden. And if you need help in where to invest, what funds to go for, and how you can actually plan your investments as per your goals and tenure of investment, you can download our app MyFund SIP, the link to which you will find in the description below. And I'll be preparing a roadmap for you, basically where you will get an idea on how you can actually go about it, and I'll be helping you and guiding you throughout your investment journey by giving you the execution platform and tracking platform through which you will be able to track your investments on a daily basis too. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.